Hey guys, it's Yana back with another WNBA review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Monopoly Panini Prizm box. You can get this only at Target. Please note that I got this from Target before they stopped their DEI initiative, so didn't shop there recently. Keep that in mind. But yeah, so I'm going to do a review on this one. I just haven't gotten to it, but let's go ahead and dig in. Come along. Okay, so for this one, we have a good group of people at the cover. So we have Jackie Young of the Las Vegas Aces, Caitlin Clark of the Indiana Fever, Asia Wilson, the current GOAT, my favorite player, from the Las Vegas Aces, and then we have Stewie of the New York Liberty, and then we have Jewel Lloyd, and this is when she was on the Seattle Storm. She's wearing the jersey that I have on right here, so I wanted to throw that on because, like, we're matching. And when I can get my hands on a Jewel Lloyd Aces jersey, I'll be getting one. But yeah, so let's see what we get in this one. I'm really looking for Asia, Jewel, Jackie, Angel Reese, pretty much anybody from the Aces, Chicago, Atlanta, Alicia Gray. I want to get another card from her, so yeah. But come along, let's see what we get. So in this box, just like the other Panini Prizm boxes, you get 4 cards per pack, and there's going to be 6 packs. And here's just a little overview of the whole box. Super cute. But yeah, let's dig on in and see what we can get. I feel like this is going to be a really good one. I do have another pack that I'll open later just in case I'm looking for like my favorite ones if I don't get in this one. But let's see what we get. Cute. Okay. Make sure I got 6 packs, 3 and 3. There we go. Just get a little thumbnail. But yeah, let's dig on in. We're not gonna do a whole 2-part series. We're just gonna dig on in. Okay, so let's start with this first one. Let's see what we got. Since I have 2 packs of these, I don't really care how I open it. So I'm still gonna be like kind of careful, but I'm not gonna be like too picky about it. Okay, let's see. Who do we have here? Starting off strong, we have Alicia Clark. Of course, she signed with the Seattle Storm this season, but still a really good card. Ooh, this is a really good one. Okay, I'm rocking with this one. And here's the back. Super cute. What does it say? It's a player rating, and she has a score of 82 for her player rating. Offense 78, defense 86, and skills 84, which is really good because she's a seasoned vet. She's been in the league for like 12, 13, 14 years. I want to say like 12 years, but yeah. So that's the first one. Ooh, we have a Lauren Jackson. She played for the Seattle Storm, if I'm not mistaken. So that's a good one. She has a player score of 80. This is a good one. Okay. And then, ooh, we have a Ryan Howard of the Atlanta Dream. So this is a good one. She has a player rating of 88. And then the last one on this one is Kalia Copper. I don't know, whatever. But this is a good one. She's a dog. She got that dog in her. She just won the, the Rose BC on Unrivaled. So that's a good one. Okay, so the first pack, not too bad, not too shabby. This is, yeah. I know all these people, and I'm excited to add these to my collection. So yeah, let's dig into the second one. Let me put that over there. And the second one. Let's see what we got. Okay, y'all can see the first one. Maybe y'all can see the first one. Okay. Must be a really good one, that's why it doesn't want to come out. Who do we have? Tina Charles. Okay, this is last season, of course, when she was on the Atlanta Dream. Of course, this upcoming season that starts in less than a month, she's gonna be with the Connecticut Sun, where she first started her career. So this is a pretty cool one. I know she's pretty dominant big. Was hoping that she was gonna come to the Aces this offseason, but you know, whatever. She's running it back to where she got drafted 10 years ago, so can't be mad at that. But she has an overall rating of 78. This is a good one. Next we have Nancy Lieberman. So that's a pioneer of, you know, women's basketball, so pretty good pick. Yeah, I don't have much to say about that one, but she has a player rating of 80, so that's cool. Oh, we have a rookie. Well, she's going to be her second year coming up, but Nika. So this is a good one. Seattle Storm. She has a player rating of 75. She didn't play that much, so I don't know how her player rating is that high, but okay. And then lastly, we have Rebecca Allen. Last season again, when she played for the Phoenix Mercury, she did sign with either the Connecticut Sun or Chicago Sky. I forget which one, but she's now the Mercury anymore. That was an okay pack, not too bad. But let's go to the next one. Okay, and y'all can see who we get first. Who do we have here? Oh, Brittany Sykes. Okay, this is a good one because I really got into Brittany Sykes as a player during Unrivaled, so this is a cool one to have. She has a player rating of 83, so she's a dog. Like, Washington, they don't have a scrub team. Like, they're gonna be good, and they have a lot of picks in the upcoming draft that's next week on April 14th, so don't forget to tune into that. But yeah, that's not a bad one. And then we have Maddie Segrist of the Dallas Wings. So yeah, this is a good one too. I'm not too familiar with her game, but of course Paige Beckers is coming to Dallas. She's projected to be the number one pick, so they're gonna be playing together. So of course I'm gonna be more familiar with Maddie's game. And she has a player rating of 81. These are good ones. Lexi Brown. This is a cool one. When she's healthy, she's pretty good. This is when she was on the Los Angeles Sparks, and she has a player rating of 79. They did do her kind of dirty because they traded her to the Seattle Storm. They didn't really talk to her about it, but whatever. And the last one is Courtney Vandersloot. I love me some Sloot. I like her. She's cool, but she's coming back to the Chicago Sky this upcoming season, so that's going to be cool how her point guard abilities can, you know, help the Angel Reese and Camila Cardozo. So this is going to be a cool player to watch this upcoming season. Okay, so that's 3 packs down. We have 3 more to go. Let's see what we get. I'm hoping for Asia. Come on, let's get Asia Wilson. Let's see. Oh, this one's a little bit harder to open. Okay. I'm just gonna rip it open, whatever. Okay, and let's see what we got. Who do we got? Natasha Cloud. When she played for the Mercury, again, they did her dirty as well and traded her to the Connecticut Suns. Somehow she got out of that and got traded to the New York Liberty. I don't like the Liberty, but I'm glad that she's somewhere that she wants to be. And she's playing with her girlfriend, Isabel Harrison, so that's cool for her. And she has a player rating of 85. Pretty good one. Cameron Brink. Okay, good card. Love it. You know, I love my bigs, what they can do in the paint. This is a really good one. Season 2 coming up, year 2 for her. And, you know, year 1 was cut short, but she's coming back better than ever. And I'm excited to see how she plays this upcoming season with Kelsey Plum. So that's going to be really cool. Player rating of 82. And then we have Kia Nurse. She moved during the off season as well. She plays for the Chicago Sky. She signed with the Chicago Sky. So it's going to be cool to see, you know, how she like meshes with their team. And then Sydney Colson, my girl, the Las Vegas Aces last season. Now she's in Indiana Fever. It's okay, I still love her, and she has a player rating of 75. It's a good pack. Oh, Sid. Okay. Second to last one. Let's see what we got. I'm still hoping out for an Asia card. Kelsey Plum. Chelsea Gray. Andrew Reese. Let's see what we got. Who's this? Another Maddie Segrist. But it's like a limited edition card. See, it's like iridescent, like more than the usual one, so that's a cool one. And then she has a player rating of 81. So yeah, that's a cool one. Then we have Stewie, Brianna Stewart. She has a player rating of 95. So, you know, we already know. She cool. And then we have a Kayla McBride from the Minnesota Lynx. Low-key wish they didn't trade her. Like, she was at the Las Vegas Aces, and then she got traded to the Minnesota Lynx. Low-key think we can use her. The Las Vegas Aces could use her. But, you know, she's doing good things in Minnesota, so can't be mad. And then, okay, we have Isabel Harrison. This is last season again when she was with Chicago Sky. Now she's with the New York Liberty, and she's playing alongside her girlfriend, so Natasha Klepp. So it's cool. This is okay. Other than Stewie, it's like it's okay. And then we have our last one. Pack 6 out of 6. Oh, please let me get Angel Reese, something. Again, I don't care how I open it. This one. Joy, maybe. Okay. Who do we have? Jaylen Brown. Who she plays for the Wings? Yeah, the Wings. She had a player rating of 80, so that's okay. Oh, Camilla. We have a Camilla one. Rookie card, so this is nice. Okay. Player rating of 80. So this is a good one. I have another card of her, so this is a good one. Oh, we have a Caitlin Clark, so that's a cool one. Cool. Yeah. Player rating of 88. And then we have a Mercedes Russell. Okay. I think this is when she was with the Spark, or with the Seattle Storm. I think she got signed to or traded to the LA Sparks, so it'd be cool to see how she does with them. But yeah, this is not too bad. Yeah, some nice cards. But yeah, that's it for the review of the Monopoly Panini Prizm, the 2024 pack. It's called the 2024 Legends, so that's why we saw the Lauren Jackson in there, because she's a legend, WNBA legend. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much.